Okay, so grade 6 girls, we'll start with a new unit, fractions. Before I start with a new unit, we just have to do few, like show what you know, and we have to do the vocabulary builder. That's very important. So turn to page number.
Miss, do we have to do the homeworks for
Page
like the whole
67.
week?
Yes?
Because we have a lot of homeworks to do.
Yes, because see, the more you practice, now
No, I mean like we have a lot of homework for like literally the whole week.
I'm so sorry. See,
Miss,
you are in grade
do you
6.
know the
So
homework
if
is
I was
even
your,
more than
sorry girls, if I was your science teacher, I would have adjusted. But I am your math teacher. Math,
No, it's nothing for science.
I know that because I told your science teacher that, you know, they have a lot to do in math. So please keep it less in science. Got it?
Yeah.
Please.
Miss, do you know the homework is even
The homework
the
is?
things that we learn in class? Like, what's the point? We finished school, we want to like,
It's just to practice. It's just to practice, sweetie.
we practice when we
See,
study for the,
sometimes you don't understand the class. And while solving, you just get to know that you don't get this question, you don't understand the lesson, and you can get back to me the other day. Okay, anyways, let us start. I will, we have done last year, page 67, everyone. Let us begin. Page 67. Before we start fractions, it's just that we need to quickly revise this. Okay, so it's very simple. You know that 289 is less than 291. And you know that when you see 476, 225, they both are equal. In this one is bigger, and here, this one is bigger. I don't need to explain this. Everyone knows. Haifa, do you know this? You check 30 and 30, they are same. You check 189 and 201. This is greater with the open mouth. Okay. Now, benchmark fractions. Now, girls, I will make a number line quickly. And just say me, 6 out of 7. How do you know that it's near to 1? This is near to 1. Okay. And rest of them, this is near to 1. Okay. This is near to maybe 1/6 means if you divide.
Miss, what do you mean it's near to 1?
Okay, I will tell you, I'll explain you. Do you know fractions? What does 6/7 means? If I ask you 6/7, you know that there are 7 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you want to explain this from beginning? Okay. Like if these are 7, because in the denominator you have 7. How many do I shade? Haifa? If it is 6/7, how many do I shade?
6/7.
1, 2, 3,
6.
4, 5, 6. Yeah. Don't you think so? If I just shade one more, it is 1 whole. 7/7, 1 whole. That's why this is near to 1. The other way to know how it is near to 1 is the number line. Okay, I divide them. This is 0. This is 0, and this is 1, and they have 7 divisions.
Miss, page 1.
See, even if you don't understand this, you just have to know that 6 is very near to 7, right? It's just a number. All right, guys, do one thing. Again, we will continue this in the lesson, because if I just stick to this, we won't be able to go to the lesson. Don't worry. The same concept, I'll get it clear in the what you call as lesson. Do you know this? Did you see this every time?
Yes.
How do you do it? you multiply the numerator and you multiply the denominator. Now, when you see this 21 and 3, what do you think? What should you divide it with? 21 and 3. Does it come in the same timetable? 3 and 21.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. This is a new method, girls. Please look at it very carefully. 3 times 1 equals 3. And when do you get 21? 3 times 7 equals 21. Do you agree to this?
Yes.
Okay. So that's why, see how I do it. Still, if you don't get it, don't worry. Don't worry. We have a lot of time that we can do fractions. This is just the starting, okay? Now, 3 times what gives you 3? 3 times what gives you 3? What is this number?
1. 1.
Right here, 1. 3 times what gives you 21?
7.
Very good. Now I have 2 in the numerator, I have 7, and I have 1 down. So what is 2 times 7? 14. This is your answer.
14.
Good. Again, I say you, don't panic if you don't get it. Okay? We have a lot of time. Next question. 4 and 10. In which timetable they come together? 4 and 10. 2 times 2 equals 4.
4.
2 times 5 equal 10.
10.
They must come in the same timetable. That is your first condition. Next, let me start cutting it. Come on. 2 times what gives me 4?
2.
I will write 2. 2 times what gives me 10?
5.
I write here 5. So what's your answer? 1 times 5. So you will multiply the numerator and you will write the denominator. This is your answer. Okay, I know there are many girls who don't follow this, but we have many ways to do it.
Yes. On question number 9, why didn't you put like the one under, like
3
why
times,
wasn't
see, you know
Miss, how
that,
did you do it? I didn't really understand it.
yes, it will take time, dear. Which timetable you find 3 and 21 together? Which timetable?
Times
3
3,
and what, miss?
3 and
Like
7.
I will just write in a big font and show you. 21 divided by 3, okay? Which timetable makes, yes, you told me it comes in 3, right? So 3 times what is 3? 3 times what is 3?
1.
1. 3 times what is 21?
7.
Yes. So 7 is your answer. Did you get it now? Let me give you more.
Kind of.
Let me give you more. Wait a second. 5 and 10. Come on. Thala. 5 and 10.
Yes.
I will ask myself a question. 5 times what gives me 5?
5 times 1.
Yes. And then 5 times what give me 10?
2.
I write like this. Now did you get a little bit?
And what's the next step? Like, what's your
That's
answer?
it. That's it. Like, see, I'll give you one more question. Like 24 and 8. Or let me give you a simple one. 1 minute. 6 and 8. Come on. Dana, try doing this. 6 and 8.
3 times
timetable
3
of
is
two.
6.
2 times
3.
2
4
times.
times 4 times 2.
See, if you are doing the numerator with the 2 times 3, 6. So even the other one, you have to do with the same timetable. 2 times 3, 2 times 4. Like you cannot write 4 times 2 here. No, because you did this with the same timetable. Okay? Girls, I'm sure this is confusing and you don't get it.
Miss, so the thing that we get that we divide with the dividend, we put it and multiply it and see
Yes,
what
you can
do
go
we
with
get.
the division. Yes, you can go with the division also. Now, wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. If you don't get it, I said don't worry. It's okay. Like, see, 2 times 2 and 2 times 7. So, what is left? 3 times 7 over 2. It's 21 over 2. Girls, this is not a part of the lesson. This is just to review.
Miss, can
okay?
you go back on number 11 because my laptop lagged and I didn't see what did you write there?
I will just write it again. 5 over 2. 3 times 1, 3 times 7. So it's left
Yes, I meant to
7 and 14. Now 6 and 9. 6 and 9, because 2 and 9 doesn't come together. 6 and 9, does it come together? Feroz?
Yes.
6 and 9.
Yes.
In which timetable?
3,
Very good. So 3 times
2, and
and
3
3
times 3. 3.
Very good. So what is left in the numerator? 2 and 2. And in the denominator, 3. So you write 4 over 3 is your answer.
Miss, I don't understand.
Who is this?
Me, Jenna.
Jenna. I will give you this question. You will solve with me now. 35 and 5. Which timetable it comes together?
Oh,
With
5
5.
times
5 times what? 5 times what is 35?
7.
Very good. So you just cut 35 and write 7 because 5 times 7 is 35. And 5 times what is 5? 5 times?
1. 1.
Yes, you just write 1. That's it. And then you write 7. And then you write what is left? 2. And in the down what is left? 1. Your answer is 14.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Girls, again, this is not in the test, in the quiz. It's just a general information, okay? You have to know it's a benchmark. Amal?
Yes, Ahmad or Jamal?
Amal. 8 and 12. In which table it comes together? 8 and 12. Eight and 12. Where does it come together? Hello?
In 2.
In 2. And also one more timetable it comes together.
Amal, we can't hear you.
Amal, one more timetable it is there. It comes together. Don't you think so? It's 4 also?
Miss, she says her mic isn't working.
Okay, so Mario can answer. 8 and 12.
Okay. It comes in
Four?
6.
Miss, can you hear me now?
4.
The question is 8 and 12 together. Like,
Can you hear
Yeah,
me
and
now?
4.
yes, Amal. So 4 times what is 8?
2.
4 times what is 12?
3.
Yeah, so in the numerator you have 3 and 3. In the denominator you have 2. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 over 2 is answer. If you can simplify 9 and 2, no, I can't because 9 and 2, they don't get together in any table together.
Miss, why didn't you do the 3? The 3, like what makes 3? 4. Oh no. I understand.
Girls, I am again repeating. Don't, worry if you don't get this because this is just a review and I will again explain all when it comes into the, lessons, okay? Finish writing it and inform me.
Miss,
Hmm.
do you have a quiz on Thursday?
Sunday.
Okay.
Miss, which lessons are going to be in the test?
Let me tell you. Wait a minute, I will tell you now.
There's 3 lessons.
Yes, there are
Yeah,
3
but which lessons?
One, I will tell you. Wait a minute.
Okay, I'm just gonna get sticky.
You have
It's divide multi-digit numbers and prime factorization and greatest common factor.
Mm-mm. Did you all
Thank you.
finish writing?
Yes.
I'm done.
Okay, that's it. Now, guys, let us go to your
Miss, I didn't do from 1 to 8. I didn't do it.
It's okay. It's okay. I will send you later. But what were you doing? Why didn't you do it?
Because you didn't see it.
Because what? Why,
Miss,
Carla?
Miss, I have a question. 4.185 times 100 equals 485.
Tell me again.
0.185 times 100 is
418.5.
4,885.
This is the answer because the point moves two sides. 1, 2. And the points come here. Because there are two numbers, it moves two places.
Miss,
Okay.
I did the homework for like, I did the homework page and
Yes.
like not the homework that you told us to do, the other one in the book.
Okay, good. You will get your answer key and you need to tally it, okay? Now, fractions and decimals. I will tell you today how to convert fractions to decimal, okay? I will explain you how to convert fractions to decimal. So did you all take out that page? Page number? It's page number 69. Page 69, girls. Please take out page 69. Everyone, page 69. Okay. Now, girls, you just see on the screen how I do it. Don't look here. See on the screen very carefully.
Okay.
Okay. A is 0.5, right? If I ask you to write 0.5 to fraction, it's very simple, girls. After point, how many numbers you see?
1.
That's it. Put 1 0 down. If it is 0.25, after point, how many numbers you see?
2 numbers.
So remove the point and just write 2 zeros, 100. Did you get it? Or no?
Yeah, I do.
See,
I did.
but you don't have to stop here. You have to simplify. What do you think? You have to divide with what? Both of them, they come together in which timetable?
2.
2 times 2 is 4. You don't get it in 2. No, wait.
1 times 5.
Very good. 5. That means 5 times 1 and
Miss,
5
the class is
times
done.
2.
2.
It was 5 over 10. I divided with 5. What did I do? I divided 5. When I divided 5, it's very simple. I got 1 and 2. Which is easy for you, this one or this one? This is first way, this is the second way. You can go with any ways you like.
Okay. Miss, the class is done.
Okay. Girls, just quickly, 1 minute. I'll take 1 minute from your class and just quickly do this, girls. Do this page. Don't write this. Just write the numbers.
Miss, can you zoom in a little?
Miss, I finished.
Okay. Complete the rest of the part till the end and you
Miss,
can.
wait,
Miss,
I
wait, I
finished.
didn't finish.
Okay. Others, please leave and go to your next class. Your teacher will be waiting.
Finished.
Finished.
Miss, can you go down a little bit?
Yes, girls?
Can you go down a little bit, Miss?
I'm done.
Miss, can you go down because there's down.
Wait a minute.
Yes,
wait a
please,
minute.
can you go down?
I'm done.
Okay. Thank you, girls. Have a great day.